Here's the complete guide on how to deactivate your Instagram account in the 2026 update. So first you have to open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap on hamburger menu and select account center. And from here just choose personal details and then select account ownership and control. And now from this page you will find the option deactivation or deletion. Then choose your Instagram account. And now on this page, you have to make sure to select deactivate account, then tap continue. Then you will see some information about your account, including your followers and other details. Simply tap continue. Next, enter your Instagram password and select a reason for deactivating your account and hit continue. Now on the next page, just read the information carefully. After that, scroll down and choose how long you just want to deactivate your account. You can select a date for automatic reactivation, but I prefer choosing don't automatically reactivate. Then hit continue again and finally confirm deactivation. And that's it. You can reactivate your account anytime by simply logging in again with your username and password. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.